Assalamualaikum. How are you? Hope so you are all fine. This is our first Urdu lesson lecture which we learn Urdu alphabets through English. Urdu has 40 letters, so we all learn one by one with a correct pronunciation. So this is our first lesson of Urdu alphabets and you are watching Learn Urdu with Iram. So now we discuss all the Urdu alphabets one by one. So first of all, look at there. The first alphabet of Urdu is that we may also call the huruf-e-tahajji of Urdu. So the first is alif. First is alif and it has given the sound of A. It has sound of A. Alif, A. Sound of A. Alif mad A. Sound of double A. Sound of double A. Be. Be. It has sound of B. Pay. Sound of P. Te. Sound of T. Te. Sound of double T. So if you look at there, te and te, so there is a huge difference between the sounds of both alphabets. If you look at the te, so it gives the sound of soft. It has given the soft sound. But if you look at te, it has heavy sound. Another is se, sound of S. Se has sound S. Next look, the next alphabet is Jeem, sound of J. Jeem, it has J sound. J, sound of CH. Sound of CH. In English it has CH sound. He, sound of H. He, sound of H. Khe, sound of KH or X. Khe, sound of KH or X. So I have to explain the other alphabets in our next video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel also. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.